Hello viewers, welcome to my tutorial. Today I'm gonna show you today how to make 3D image for Instagram. To do that, you have to take a preparation little bit. I'm going to show my folder. I took a screenshot from my mobile phone like this way. Then I have collected couple of pictures that I am going to use there. So let's get it started. I'm going to drag the screenshot into my Photoshop CC now, and as you know, this long screenshot will not take place into Instagram, so that I'm going to take a crop tool here. Then I'm going to select proper line of 4x5 for Instagram. It's a proper size. Okay. Then you have to make sure delete crop pixel will not be checked in. It means it has to check out. Okay. Once it is done, then you have to click on enter. Okay. Then I'm going to take rectangle marquee tool from here, and from here I'll select the area that I need to work on it. Okay, after that I have to click on right button from my mouse, and I'll click on transform selection to make proper selection from here. And to see it clearly, I'll press Ctrl and plus together to make zoom in, and as far as possible I'll make proper selection from here. Okay, once it is done, I have to click on enter, and after that I'll click on delete. So as you can see here, transparent background. One more thing I have to do here, I will use clone tool here, and from my mouse from my keyboard I will select Ultra, and I will press left button from my mouse to get a selection. Okay, then I will just drag few unwanted object here. As you can see, I'm going to remove it. Okay, it's done. It's done nicely. Now I'll going to select a color from here. You may use another background if you want, but I'm going to fill it off with one color. So after select my color, I'll click on OK, and I'll take a paint bucket tool here, and I'll just click on OK. As you can see, the color has been filled off, and now I'll go to my picture. Firstly, this one. So you have to crop it. I mean, you have to make it PNG file the very first to use the picture. After crop, you will get the picture like this way. Then what will I do? I will use move tool to drag the picture. Okay, then I will make it shorter. You can zoom out to fit it nicely, and you can use also arrow key. Okay, once it is done, you have to click on apply. Okay, from layer option, you may double click here and you may apply different type of styles if you want. But I'm not going to apply any style from here because my tutorial, whatever picture I have shown you, I didn't use any style. That's why I'm just going to close it. Okay, this is on picture. I'll show you another picture from this tutorial. Okay, so I'm going to lock it, and I'm going to open another picture. This one. So you have to make PNG file, the same things like before. So after PNG, the picture will come up like this way. Okay, then I'm going to use move tool again. Then I'll drag the picture until fit properly. Okay, once it is done, you have to click on apply. Okay, so once it is done, after you have to click on save as, then give a name of your file, like I'm going to make it renamed by 12. Okay, from here you have to mention the file format JPEG. Then I'm going to place desktop, then save. Okay, if I go for check, open up 12. Okay, see the picture, it's professional look, 3D. So by this way you can make 3D picture for your Instagram post. Thank you very much guys for watching this tutorial. Hopefully this tutorial will help you to make 3D picture for Instagram. If it is helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you very much.